And Kim, tomorrow, hopefully the big day, and as they said, if not, Thursday. But I'm just curious, how's the weather looking over there?
The weather looks good over there. Nothing more than a breeze at around 20 miles an hour, but no thunderstorm activity expected there tomorrow. For us, it kind of looks like we're going to see some thunderstorm activity with the cloud cover building, but our chance to see rain today is actually really low. It's at 20%. We'll just pump in plenty of humidity that we will use later on this week as our rain chances start to increase. 78 degrees right now in Galveston, and it feels like 80 with that moisture building in. It always feels a little bit hotter when that humidity starts to uptick. Notice there's that lone shower that's working its way into Baytown right now. There's another little pocket of rain along the Katy Freeway, but very, very brief. If you see a little speck of rain, you're part of the lucky crew, and then more of us are going to get in on it as the week progresses. The 30% chance for showers tomorrow looks like this. Thursday, there's a higher chance to see rain, but it's really confined to our northern and western cities and counties. So if you are, say, Walker County, Washington, Austin, if you live near, let's say, Bryan College Station, that's where you have the highest potential of seeing shower activity. We take a bit of a break on Friday and then look at how those reflectivity values go up for Saturday and Sunday. The bright there, that signals a front that's going to move through, bringing us widespread rain chances and a nice cool down. What are temperatures like inside the city? 79 degrees right now, and yes, it feels warmer than that too. It feels like 81. That breeze is out of the south-southeast at around 15 miles an hour sustained, but gusts are stronger. I'll show you that in a second. High temperatures today are going to push into the mid-80s. We'll have a mixture of sun and clouds, a little bit more cloud cover today than what we saw yesterday, and the wind is going to be very similar to what we saw yesterday. So gusts do get to around 25 miles an hour. The wind was whipping yesterday. I had to hold on to the napkins at the table. Everything was starting to fly off. Warm, humid, and breezy. Yes, that is what we're experiencing right now with some isolated sea breeze showers.
Thank you.
For this weekend, we get some real rain and a real chill in the air too. So don't get too used to this. It's gonna get wiped off for a few days. Notice 82 right now for Tomball, 81 for Brenham. Rain chances tomorrow look like this. So by the time you're having lunch, you could see a couple of isolated stray showers. And then remember I told you Thursday, the further north and west that you go, the higher the rain potential. This is what it looks like. So for the I-35 corridor, Austin gets a downpour, Bryan College Station does too, Huntsville into Livingston, and that lifts towards the northeast. So about a 60% chance of seeing shower activity in those spots, with the front getting close to, but not quite, all the way down to Houston. Houston only has a 20% chance for showers. On Thursday, this front dissipates before it gets here, so we stay warm all the way through Saturday. Now, Saturday's front brings us some nice relief from the heat and the humidity, dropping down into the 60s for highs Sunday and staying below average for Monday and Tuesday in the low to mid 70s. Here's why. This first front gets to Dallas, gets to Austin and San Antonio, but doesn't quite pass through Houston. The next one will. This one not only sweeps through the area, but brings us a couple of considerable rainy days. So from here through Thursday, for the most part, we'll wind up with trace amounts of rain. Some of us could pick up maybe half an inch. You'll notice the areas where the front gets close, a little more than that. How about Saturday into Sunday? Oh, now we're seeing widespread rain. 1-2 inches, a couple spots that saw the repeated rounds of rain over the last few days. We'll pick up a little more than that. Rain will work wonders for the pollen. The oak count has been over 1,000, and this will help suppress that. So we've got some heat on the board right now, some humidity, light isolated rain chances. Then we flip that on its head, higher rain chances and lower heat Sunday. We're going to be dry on Monday. Cheryl, I think that is going to be such a nice day, so heads up on that.
That's a busy looking 7 day.
It is, lots to talk about for sure.
All right, thanks, Kim.